Before we dive into the world of Dune, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button for more exciting content. Thanks. What does it take to bring a beloved science fiction novel to life on the big screen? For Denis Villeneuve, it was a dream years in the making. His adaptation of Dune has been a masterpiece, with every frame showcasing his dedication to the story. And Villeneuve openly stated that making Dune Part 1 was a realization of a longtime dream. He accepted the task, aware that the initial movie might stand as a self-contained story. And the success of Dune Part 1 was crucial for Villeneuve's Dune saga. And he recognized that this film would be a pivotal point in his career, yet he was cautious about directing an adaptation. Villeneuve worked with people who shared his conviction in Frank Herbert's novel. Critics and fans alike were skeptical about adapting the story to film, but Villeneuve demonstrated otherwise by creating Dune Part 1, which boasted widespread appeal and remained faithful to its source material. During this period, he anxiously waited for the studio to approve his plans for a sequel. Villeneuve admitted, "Indeed, I was taking a chance with the dice. I wasn't entirely certain about the outcome." The tremendous success of Dune Part 1 left no room for doubt. The movie garnered widespread praise, securing 10 nominations for the Oscars, including Best Picture. And it's launched in October 2021. It managed to thrive. It managed to, amidst the pandemic, generating over $400 million at the Villeneuve expressed gratitude that he was given the chance to continue his Dune story. He stated, "For the first time, I was finally able to translate the images and dreams I've had for years onto the screen, which is incredibly meaningful to me." However, Villeneuve added, "The adaptation process reveals more about me than it does about the book itself." The Dune films did deviate from the source material, granting Zendaya's Cheney additional autonomy and altering Anya Taylor-Joy's Elia Atreides storyline. Villeneuve has directed 4 science fiction movies, all of which weave social commentary into human-focused stories. In his own words, "It's liberating to discuss complex or contentious topics freely because you're talking about a non-existent world." And this means he can tackle subjects like politics, religion, and other challenging themes that might be difficult to address otherwise. His upcoming movie, Dune Messiah, is no exception. It serves as the conclusion to his cautionary tale on unquestioning faith and unrestrained power. On a lighter note, it seems Villeneuve's gamble paid off, and he's not stuck in a desert of disappointment. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time,